How to Control Your Negative Thinking, Part 1. We all deal with negative thinking at some point in our lives. Whether it's worrying about the future, regretting the past, or doubting ourselves in the present, these thoughts can pull us down and make life feel heavier than it is. But the good news is, you can learn to control them. You don't have to be a prisoner of your mind. In this video, let's understand in simple language how we can deal with negative thoughts and slowly train our minds to think in a more positive and balanced way. Let's start with the fundamental question. What are negative thoughts? These are the thoughts that make you feel bad about yourself, about others, or the future. They are often based on fear, doubt, or past pain. For example, if you think, I'm not good enough, nothing ever works out for me, or people don't like me, these are negative thoughts. They come automatically and sometimes repeat so much that they become your inner story. But just because they keep coming doesn't mean they are true. The first step in controlling negative thinking is awareness. You need to catch yourself when you're thinking negatively. Most of the time, these thoughts run in the background like a program on a computer. You're unaware that these quiet voices in your head control your mood and actions. Start paying attention to your thoughts. You can do this by pausing occasionally during the day and asking yourself, what am I thinking right now? Is this thought helping me or hurting me? Once you become aware of your thoughts, the next step is to question them. Just because you think something doesn't mean it's the truth. Thoughts are not facts. They are like clouds passing through the sky. Some are dark and stormy, while others are light and fluffy. When a negative thought arises, pause and ask yourself, is this 100% true? Is this always true? Am I just assuming this? Our negative thoughts are often just habits or old patterns, not reality. Another way to control negative thinking is by replacing the negative thought with a more positive or neutral one. For example, if your mind says, I always fail, you can change it to, sometimes I struggle, but I'm learning and growing. It doesn't have to be fake or overly optimistic. Just make it more balanced and realistic. This simple change in language can shift your mindset over time. Let's talk about something compelling, gratitude. Gratitude is like a flashlight in the dark room of negative thoughts. Focusing on what's good in your life, even the tiny things, gives less power to what's going wrong. Every day, take a few minutes to think about or write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be your health, your family, a nice meal, or even a smile from a stranger. Gratitude trains your brain to look for the good instead of the bad. Self-talk is another big one. We all have an inner voice, and how it talks to us shapes our feelings. If your inner voice constantly criticizes, blames, or judges you, it's like living with a bully in your head. You need to become your friend. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement, just like you would talk to a loved one who's having a hard time. Say things like, it's okay to make mistakes, I'm doing my best, or I can try again tomorrow. Sometimes negative thinking grows because we keep replaying old, painful memories. Our mind keeps bringing up past failures, rejections, or embarrassments, and we feel the same pain repeatedly. But remember, the past is over. You are not that person anymore. You have learned, grown, and changed. Every time a memory comes up and brings pain, gently remind yourself, that was then, this is now. A great tool to manage negative thinking is journaling. Write your thoughts down on paper. When you write, you separate yourself from the thoughts. You can see them more clearly. You can understand patterns and triggers. You can even write back to those negative thoughts with positive answers. For example, if you write, I'm not good enough, you can reply, I may feel this way sometimes, but I know I have worth. I'm improving every day. Taking care of your body is also essential when dealing with negative thoughts. When you're tired, hungry, or not moving much, it's easier for your mind to sink into negative thinking. So, get enough sleep, eat nourishing food, and move your body. Go for a walk, stretch, dance, or do anything that gets your energy flowing. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Spending time in nature can calm the storm inside your mind. Look at the trees, the sky, the birds. Listen to the wind, the rain, the silence. Nature doesn't judge. It just is. And when you're in it, you also feel that peace. Just a few minutes in nature daily can lower stress and bring a sense of calm. Let's not forget the power of deep breathing. When negative thoughts come, your body reacts with tension. Your breath becomes shallow, your muscles tighten, and your heart may race. To break this pattern, Take a deep breath through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this a few times. You'll feel your body relax and your mind will slow down. This is a quick and powerful way to calm your thoughts. You can also try visualization. This means using your imagination to picture something positive. For example, imagine yourself in a peaceful place, like a beach or a quiet forest. Or picture yourself handling a situation with confidence and calmness. Your mind doesn't know the difference between real and imagined experiences, so positive images can influence your emotions positively. Listening to uplifting music, podcasts, or videos can also shift your energy. Instead of watching things that make you feel more anxious or sad, choose content that inspires, educates, or makes you laugh. What you feed your mind matters. Just like you choose healthy food for your body, choose healthy content for your mind. Also, surround yourself with positive people. The people you talk to every day have a significant effect on how you think and feel. You'll absorb that energy if someone always complains, blames, or gossips. But if someone is supportive, kind, and encouraging, they'll lift you. Choose your circle wisely. End of part 1. Thanks for your time. See you later.